You're not gonna believe how simple it is to remake or swap a character in any video using this crazy AI tool. Just look at these before and after clips, all made with this one tool. You can turn any old video into a fresh, viral, and even monetizable AI video, like dancing scenes, funny remakes, or anything your imagination can dream up. In this tutorial, I'll show you step-by-step how to use this tool and create your own awesome videos. So let's get started. The only tool you need to rebuild any video from scratch is Apob AI. It's a super cool AI platform where you can create realistic digital characters from a single photo. And now, Apob has launched something next level, a feature called Revideo. It lets you transform any clip into a brand new one in just a few clicks. If you're new to Apob AI, no worries, you can try it for free. Just click the link in the description and click Create for free and sign in using your Google or email account. Once you're in, it's time to make your first AI influencer. Just click Create Portrait Model. You can upload your own photo or let the AI generate one for you. Then give your model a name and write a short about description. And boom, your AI character is ready to shine. Now you can start making photos or videos using your new digital influencer. All right, let's move to the next part, image to video. Now you can start creating photos or videos using your new digital influencer. Click on it, and here's where the fun begins. You can convert your pre-generated image into a moving video. Or if you want more control, you can upload a brand new image that you want to turn into a video. Next, in the quality section, you'll see a new option called Ultra S. This is Apob's latest upgrade, and it makes a huge difference. The Ultra S mode gives your videos sharper details, smoother motion, and more natural-looking results. Perfect if you want your AI videos to look super realistic and professional. If you'd like to add a final frame for extra control, you can do that too by selecting Last Frame, but that part is totally optional. In the description section, mention your requirements for your video. Once everything's ready, hit generate and wait a few moments for the magic to happen. And here's the result. Just wow, the quality looks amazing. Smooth, clean, and super realistic. All right, let's move to the next part, Revideo. This is where the magic happens. If you want to replace or change a character in a video, click on Revideo under the Video menu. You can pick an Apob generated video or upload your own clip. For this example, I'll use a viral dance video. In the reference image section, upload a picture of your character or use your Apob model if you made one earlier. For my demo, I'm using an anime-style character. Once everything looks good, hit the Generate button and let the AI do its thing. And here's the result. Just look at this. Amazing. Everything is just perfect and smooth. I created some amazing videos with this feature, and here are the results. Trust me, they look super cool. If you want more creative control over your videos, the Chat to Edit feature is a total game changer. It helps you fine-tune your character before using it in a remake. You can turn your reference into anyone, a celebrity, a game hero, or even your favorite anime character. And to make it extra fun, you can tweak little things like the outfit, hair color, or any other detail you want. To start, click on Chat to Edit under the Image menu. Upload the photo you want to customize. In the edit description box, just type what changes you want the AI to make. For example, change the jacket to red or make the hair longer. For more accurate results, you can even upload another picture as a reference. Then click Generate and watch the magic happen. Now let's use this new edited character in a movie scene. Open the Revideo menu again and upload your chosen movie clip. In the reference image section, upload your newly edited character. Once that's set, hit Generate to start creating. And here we go. I generated some awesome clips using both Chat to Edit and Revideo. Just look at the results. It looks so real, it's hard to believe they're AI generated. So guys, that's the full process of how you can remake any video using your own AI character changer. Pretty cool, right? If you want to try it yourself, just use the link in the video description to get free credits. And don't forget to use my coupon code to get 15% discount. And if you enjoyed this tutorial, give it a like and subscribe to my channel so you don't miss any upcoming AI tutorials like this one. Also tell me in the comments, have you created your own AI influencer yet or not? I'd really love to know. See you in the next video. Thanks for your love and support, and as always, thanks for watching.